Which benefits are ending?
So there were three pandemic-related unemployment programs that expired on September 6th across the country and effectively on September 4th in DC. These include the Pandemic Unemployment Assistance Program, which provided benefits for people who weren't eligible for regular UI benefits, like gig workers and self-employed people. Also includes the Pandemic Emergency Unemployment Compensation Program, or PEUC, which provided additional weekly benefits for people who are originally eligible for regular UI, and the Federal Pandemic Unemployment Compensation Program, or FPUC, which is the program that added an extra $300 per week to everyone else's benefits. Unfortunately, all three of these programs ended on September 4th in DC.
So if I, have my unemployment benefits, how do I know if mine are stopping on after September 4th?
Yeah. So unfortunately, both people getting PUA and PEUC, those benefits will end. And for people getting PUA, there unfortunately aren't any extension programs that are available. But for people getting regular UI, they might continue getting regular UI. And for people getting PEUC, they might be available for another extension program. So we recommend that anyone getting PEUC, if their benefits stop, should call the Department of Employment Services at 202-724-7000 to see if there are any additional programs they might be eligible for.
And are there any other unemployment benefits that I could apply for?
Yeah, so for people getting PEUC, they might be eligible for an extended program called Extended Benefits, or EB, or they might be eligible for another regular UI year. So we recommend that anyone who thinks they may be eligible for these programs should call DOES, the Department of Employment Services, at 202-724-7000.
If someone thinks that DOES still owes them money for some past weeks, are they still eligible to receive that money?
So the Department of Employment Services is required to pay out benefits for anyone who has filed a timely claim or request for benefits. So if you asked for back benefits from before September 4th of 2021 and haven't received them yet, we recommend continuing to reach out to the Department of Employment Services about getting those back benefits.
DOES may have told some clients or individuals that they were not going to pay those funds. What can people do in that circumstance?
So if you disagree with the decision that the Department of Employment Services has made, you can appeal that decision to the Office of Administrative Hearings. You can call them at 202-442-9094 to get more information about how to appeal.
Are there any non-unemployment insurance programs that people can apply for to help them if they still need assistance with bills?
Yes, if your unemployment benefits end, there are a few other programs available for DC residents that you could apply for. There are SNAP benefits, or Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program benefits, otherwise known as food stamps. For families, there's Temporary Assistance for Needy Families, or TANF. And there are also medical insurance programs, including Medicaid. In addition, there's a rental assistance program called Stay DC that can provide rental and utility assistance for those in need.